Hey guys, so this is Michael representing QianLi Innovation Company. So I'm the sales director for overseas business. All right, so today the reason why I took this video is to show you or introduce you one of the most popular laser machines in the world. Okay, so this laser machine is new launched products from QianLi, and just a few months ago. So now it's already getting its popularity around the globe. So I'm going to show you a little bit how you can use this laser machine for your technical works, okay? So what I can tell you right now is that this laser machine is not only for separating the glass in the front, but also the back glass or the frame or even Apple watches or camera screens, those kind of different devices. So you can probably take a closer look at the machine. All right. So firstly, as you can see that we got the phones, watches, camera, iPad, or there are some other functions as well. Okay. And also we got a cloud update, which means that if there are some new models of cell phones coming up in the market, so this machine connects to the Wi-Fi. So some process has to be done, and then the new models could be updated to this machine, okay, in their cloud system. So right now, let me tell you, let's take phones as an example. So we got all of the models, okay, like Apple, Huawei, Samsung, Honor, Oppo, Vivo, LG, okay, Redmi, Xiaomi, Meizu, or Google, Coolpad, Honor, all of these, very popular brands in the market. So let's take Apple as an example. As you can see that we got all of the models here, like from the very early time of iPhone 6 to the very latest iPhone 16 Pro Max, okay? All of the models are applicable to this machine. So right now, I'm going to show you how to use this machine for making your work much easier, okay? So firstly, let's take Apple as an example. So here I got a iPhone 13 Pro Max, okay? So what I can do is to choose a model here, okay? As you can see that we got all of the models. So let's choose iPhone 13 Pro Max, maybe, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to take off the frame, okay, by this laser machine. So let's take a frame as an example. And then we just put this screen into it, okay? And there's a pin to help focusing on the laser, okay? So now we're going to press this button to focus the laser. As you can see that the platform is going ups and downs, just trying to focus on the just trying to focus the laser on the screen to make it, a wonderful position. It probably takes a few seconds, and now when the lights turns on, that represents the laser has finished its focusing, okay, process. So now you remove this pin, okay? You start the process. Now you can see the laser starts to work for the frame. As you can see that there's a little smokes from the laser process, but don't worry about that. The smoke is going to be vacuumed by this vacuolator to the outside, okay? Now the process finished, okay? And then you take a little further steps to making the frame off, okay? Yeah, that's how you use this machine.